Thinking about studying in Europe but have no idea where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In just 3 minutes, I'll walk you through the 5 main steps to make your European study dream a reality. First up, research and selection. Europe is huge, with so many countries and universities to choose from. Think about what you want to study, your budget, and the language you're comfortable with. Do you prefer a bustling city like Paris, or a quieter town in Scandinavia? Websites like Study